Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike SB Check. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike SB Check skateboarding shoes, and this pair is in the men's UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, and it's in the women's US size 11.5, and this pair is in the black white colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike SB Check. And let's lift out the left shoe and focus on it. So just setting the box to the side so it doesn't interfere with the foreground as we take a look at the Nike SB Check in the black white colorway. And let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear view of the shoe. And taking a closer in look, so the shoe does have a suede upper, and of course with a vulcanized design. And taking a much closer in look at the details of the suede upper, so you can see it does have a fine nap to the suede, and of course black piping along with that white foxing tape. And moving towards the midfoot area or quarter of the shoe, we can see the white Nike swoosh that appears to be printed, and there's some texturing on that white Nike swoosh with a fine grain appearance and texture. And taking a look at the shoe from the back, so you can see it does have a diagonal cut design with that panel going across from the inside to the outer side of the shoe. And taking a look at the inside or inner side of the shoe, once again we see suede right throughout, and of course once again another Nike swoosh in white. And as we move towards the front, you can see that consistent short nap suede right throughout in black. And taking a look from the front or tip of the shoe towards the back, so slowly moving right through from the front towards the back of the shoe, we see traditional lacing as well as the Nike SB branding patch on the tongue. And taking a look at the details of the tongue with the Nike SB patch, and taking a look at the back details as well. So you can see there is some light to medium padding in the tongue, and for the ankle collar, same consistent light to medium padding around the ankle and heel collar. And let's pop out the shoe stuffing so we can see the details more clearly on the inside or off the inside of the shoe. So we can see the lining on the inside as well as the sock liner or insole with that Nike SB branding. So you can see on the inside thoroughly black throughout, except for that Nike SB branding contrasting in white. And now let's take a look at the sole of the shoe. So you can see it does have a radiating herringbone style traction pattern on the ball of the foot right throughout the length of the shoe, and we can see a Nike swoosh in the heel area. So it is a rubber sole in a very black with a little hint of brown throughout, unless my eyes are deceiving me. But to give you some sense of the tackiness or stickiness of this rubber outsole, so just rubbing my finger along its surface, and dragging on the grooves and pattern of the sole. And now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you a sense of the shoe's responsiveness and flexibility or stiffness. And now just popping it back in shape. And now let's take a look at the right shoe, so setting the left shoe down and bringing the box back in frame. And popping out the right shoe. So taking a look at the right shoe this time of the Nike SB Check in the black, white colorway. And let's do a 360 rotation with this side of the skateboarding shoes. And once again taking a close-up look at the details right throughout the shoe. So with the suede upper, now we can see that the quarter panel does have an integrated eye stay. And of course the Nike SB branding, very minimalist in design. And taking a look from the back of the shoe. And of course the outer side with that printed or laminated or applied white Nike swoosh with some fine graining to it. And taking a look at the sole of the shoe right there. So once again we see the identical radiating starburst type herringbone pattern, and with the Nike swoosh in the heel area. And now let's take a look at the pair together, side by side. And from the front to the back. Directly from the back, and of course the bottom or soles of the shoe. So that's the Nike SB check. Thanks for watching and happy skateboarding!